Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a game which I created, and this is pretty much we're familiar with, but I just recreated the game using my own thoughts and my own programming skills. So I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. As you can see, oh, so I crashed. Now I can restart the game like this. So as you can see, my high score is 18. So it shows the high score and also the way to restart the game and exit games. So now I'm going to show you how to exit the game. I just can click this button to exit the game. So as you can see, this is how I have exited the game. So I'm going to show you the project. So this is pretty much the game. So this Flappy Bird game, this this has only two scenes. As you can see, these are the two scenes, and these are the scripts. And I only used one prefab, which is the pipe. So and also I used some sound effects, some sprites. So I'm going to show you the scenes. So this is the main scene. So you can see that these are the game objects. So I'm going to show you the script. So this is the script. There are multiple scripts for this game. It was pretty much easy, not too much hard, but it was fun, and it's a 2D game. So this was basically it that I wanted to show you, and thank you. I hope to see you in the next video.